Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Valorant if it's not opening or launching in your Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you gotta go to the search bar right here and type down %local app data %. Okay? Again, %local app data %. Now you gotta click on this file folder. Wait for it to open, and once it's opened, you gotta want to find Valorant. Okay, scroll all the way down and find V. There you go. We have Valorant. Double click on it, click on saved, right click and just hit on delete. Okay, and once that's deleted, what you'll do is just go ahead over to your search bar once more, type down services, click on it. I gotta find a process called VGC. Again, VGC. Double click on it and click on under startup type. We have a drop down. Now make sure that it is set to automatic. Hit on apply, hit on start, wait for the process to finish. And once that's done, hit on OK. Close this one. Now go ahead and launch Valorant and check if it helps. If that won't work, go ahead and restart your computer. Okay, might need a little restart. And after that, enjoy the game. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.